Artificial intelligence, AI, is currently one of the hottest buzzwords in tech, and with good reason. The last few years have seen several innovations and advancements that have previously been solely in the realm of science fiction slowly transform into reality. Experts regard artificial intelligence as a factor of production, which has the potential to introduce new sources of growth and change the way work is done across industries. For instance, this PwC article predicts that AI could potentially contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2035. China and the United States are primed to benefit the most from the coming AI boom, accounting for nearly 70% of the global impact. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a method of making a computer-controlled robot, or a software think intelligently like the human mind. The outcome of these studies develops intelligent software and systems. Artificial intelligence is a cutting-edge and rapidly evolving field of computer science and engineering that focuses on creating machines and computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks can encompass a wide range of activities, such as problem-solving, learning, perception, language understanding, and decision-making. The ultimate goal of AI is to develop machines that can exhibit general intelligence similar to or even surpassing human intelligence. While AI has made remarkable progress in recent years, achieving this level of intelligence, known as artificial general intelligence, AGI, or strong AI, remains an ongoing and challenging endeavor. There are various approaches to AI, and they can be broadly categorized into two main types: narrow or weak AI. This form of AI is designed to excel at specific tasks or domains. These AI systems are specialized and trained for particular applications, and they do not possess the capability to transfer their knowledge or skills to other unrelated tasks. Examples of weak AI include voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems, and image recognition software. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. AGI aims to create machines with human-like intelligence, possessing the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across diverse domains. AGI would be capable of reasoning, problem-solving, and adapting to various situations without specific programming for each task. Achieving AGI remains a significant scientific and technological challenge. AI applications have proliferated across various industries, revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact with technology. Some notable areas where AI is being used include natural language processing, NLP. AI is employed in language translation, sentiment analysis, chatbots, and voice recognition systems, enabling more natural and efficient human-computer communication. AI, machine learning, empowers systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time. It is widely used in tasks such as image recognition, fraud detection, and personalized recommendations. Robotics. AI-powered robots are being developed for tasks ranging from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and exploration, enhancing efficiency and precision. Autonomous vehicles. AI is at the core of self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles, enabling them to navigate complex environments and make real-time decisions safely. Healthcare. AI is transforming medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment recommendations, potentially revolutionizing healthcare outcomes. While AI offers incredible opportunities for advancement and innovation, it also raises ethical, social, and economic challenges. Concerns about privacy, bias in AI decision-making, and the impact on the job market require careful consideration as AI technology continues to advance.